Flexibility and local energy markets are key to a successful net zero transition. Their growth relies on scalable flexibility infrastructures, and storage can play a key role in achieving that.
Storage options for DNOs are currently restricted by regulatory constraints, and the high costs of batteries exclude underprivileged customers, leaving them unable to install in-home and benefit from flexibility markets.
This new project will assess the regulatory barriers and develop a novel commercial model for front-of-meter batteries co-owned between DNO and the community. This commercial framework and subsequent installations of batteries will unlock storage access for a customer base that would have been hard to reach otherwise.
The use of these community batteries will be the first on the UK market and should offer equitable and scalable flexibility while reducing energy costs for communities and DNOs.